My name is Aaron Stiles. I am the Level 1 cutting instructor at ETI School of Skilled Trades in Willowbrook, Illinois. Learning things through ETI, we teach you the safety aspect of how to do it correctly. Learning in the field itself, you may learn how to set up a torch, but maybe doing some things that are not safe, not correct. Being an experienced cutter, welder, whatever it may be, even those gentlemen have found out that they've come here to correct bad habits or change bad habits that they may have. ETI focuses heavily on the safety aspect of things, making sure that you're wearing your correct PPE, safety glasses, gloves, things like that, so we all walk home at the end of the day with 10 fingers, 10 toes, and our eyes intact. Your major welding equipment manufacturers have inherently built their equipment to operate safely. It is up to you to use the manufacturer's guidelines, manufacturer's instructions to set these up and use them in a safe manner. For example, the breakdown of an oxyacetylene setup is just as important as it is in the setup process. There is a correct way to do it. Once you have essentially inherently shut off your torch, the next major step in the process is turning off the source itself, turning off your oxygen bottle, turning off your acetylene bottle, and then go through and purge your system by turning on the knobs on the oxy-fuel torch itself and draining the system out. From there, you can go ahead and detach your hoses from the regulator, detach your hose from the torch, and then remove your regulators. On that aspect, there is no set way of doing it. The one thing you do want to remember is shutting off the source first before you do anything else. If you leave a torch pressurized for a long period of time, you can have a mixed gas scenario or dust within the system itself. And once you learn how volatile dust can be, it wreaks havoc on your torches and your regulators and could cause burnouts, could cause flashbacks and things like that.